Hey everybody, welcome back to Poeticon Music. I am your host, Poeticon. Every month we create a brand new song from start to finish, so tune in every Friday for new music, new videos, and new tutorials. If you love what you've seen here today, please click subscribe and click that little bell in the bottom corner so that you don't miss out on next week's episode. Now, we're just about to finish the first month of Poeticon Music with a collaboration between Blake Allen Earnhart, Dice World Paradise, and myself. Now it's not too late to catch up on what you missed, so click this link right here. It'll take you where you need to go. Let's get started. Much like yourself, I started Poeticon Music not knowing where it would take me. I had no idea how much work I was about to take on or how much sleep I was about to lose. But on the other hand, I didn't realize how many awesome people that I was going to meet that shared the same passion for hip-hop music and for pop culture that I do. It's been a journey, but let's rewind a few weeks. Now this all started with an instrumental by Blake Allen Earnhart. It was moody, intense, and all of the things that I really like. We arranged that song into 2 verses and 4 hooks. I tried to demonstrate this by using Legos, but really I just played with toys for 10 minutes. Now, I wrote a song about a car crash based on the emotional content and the drama from the instrumental. Finally, Dice World Paradise came to the basement to record his lyrics for the hooks. I also recorded my lyrics for the verses. Now, that brings us to today. Since sitting down to mix our vocals, I've become very aware of a cardinal rule that I have been breaking for years. Do not mix with headphones. I don't care how good those headphones are. Headphones can't deliver the low-end sound that your ears pick up when you hear them on speakers. So what happens is the song is almost always too loud, or has too much bass in it, or if you're trying to compensate for that, a lot of times it's too low. It never quite hits the mark. So, here's a broke musician's tip. If you don't have studio speakers to mix your music on, compare it to a commercially made song. That'll give you a benchmark so you can hear it side by side and determine whether your mix is too loud, or it has too much bass, or if it's not loud enough. And you can make adjustments, and then you can have the song that you feel like is up to the standard that you're happy with. So, until I get speakers of my own, or a very generous and reputable technology company that has 4 letters in its name, starts with S and ends with Oni, decides to send me some big damn speakers, I'm gonna do what I've been doing for years. We're gonna go for a drive.
Yeah. My breath is getting shorter, my vision foggier. Got tired of arguing, my voice was getting froggier. No time to turn around, I spun the car in aggravation. Drove out into the night, just left, I wasn't waiting. It's like escaping hell, racing to run it home. I couldn't explain it better, I just kept driving on. Was just a human being, chasing my ambitions. Was better to let them out and vent the frustrations. That was the final straw, I couldn't bear to take another. I sacrificed my life life. I should have run for cover, and every tear I shed was wasted in a vain mission. Face it, it's a plain mission. Fake it till you make a million.
Open up my eyes, I only wanna open up my eyes. Why can't I breathe in my life? I just wanna breathe in my life. Please let me see just one more night. Let me one more fight. Let me see just one more fight. Oh, promise everything will be alright.
Danger was my intention, anger was in my bones. My blood was boiling over, restless to meet the dawn. Speeding no destination, blasting my favorite songs. Greetings and salutations, another day is gone. Felt it with every moment, felt it with every twist. The hunger creeping under, eating whatever's left. The tires burning rubber, screeching until they lift. The engine catching fire, heading for sudden death. That was the final fight, I wasn't supposed to see another. Curtains were coming down, angels were watching over, blowing their trumpets like another's headed for us, and singing the chorus, divine magic, sublime orders. And I was in the days in many ways, and through the haze of living, found every way to get away with that which I am given. I played the cards I was dealt, cause I prepared for them. You never know when you're facing the very last storm.
Open up my eyes, I only wanna see through this disguise. Why can't I see what's in my soul? If someone say they can't hear my soul, please let me see what's in my soul. Only wanna see what this thing holds. Why can't I? I only wanna open up my eyes. Can't I? Open up my eyes, I only wanna open up my eyes. Why can't I breathe in my life? I just wanna breathe in my life. Please let me see just one more night. Let me one more fight. Let me see just one more fight. Oh, promise everything will be alright. Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah.
That was awesome, right? There's nothing quite like taking a new song for its maiden voyage in the car. I like to roll the windows down and crank the speakers up. Download the song for free right now, it's in the description below. And leave me a comment to tell me how it sounds in your car. That's all the time we've got for today. Tune in next Friday when we debut a brand new instrumental and start arranging that into a new hit single. Thank you so much for tuning in. For the first month of Poeticon music, I could not be more grateful. It is because of fans like you that keep me going, and I appreciate it. I look forward to seeing you next week. Peace.